Perpetual Income 365 Reviews Update. Affiliate marketing has become quite a consistent way of making an income online. The internet has provided many ways of making a stable income, and affiliate marketing is one of those. While it does provide a way of procuring a consistent way of earning income, many are unable to properly get into it due to a lack of prior information. This is why software programs like Perpetual Income 365 are garnering popularity. This is a comprehensive look into how one can get started with affiliate marketing with ease. Click the first link below to get Perpetual Income for a discounted price now from the official website. Shocking new Perpetual Income 365 report. This may change your mind. Perpetual Income 365 Review. Developed by Sean Josiah. This is a software or a program centered on the idea of garnering a passive stream of income. The program aids users in learning more about the concept of affiliate marketing, while also getting the tips and techniques they'll need to fare on their own. Using this program, people can not only set their foot into the affiliate marketing world but also learn some tricks that will put them ahead of the competition. The goal of this software is to allow users to create a perpetual machine that continues to provide a stable income for the user. Users will be able to take ideas from the presented template of a working affiliate marketing system and get started without having to feel lost or unsure as most people do. Additionally, the program is able to provide stellar results, as it already has for the people who have used it. Click the first link below to get Perpetual Income for a discounted price now from the official website. With how popular affiliate marketing has become, it seems that many people understand the value behind this method of money generation. However, what most people lack is the knowledge about the intricacies and details that can propel one ahead. Through this guide, users will be able to seek that exact information and be able to learn from experts like Sean Josiah. How does Perpetual Income 365 work? Through this software, users will receive certain fundamental benefits that can aid them in making more money than people usually would through affiliate marketing. It provides some essential help that can take care of the nitty-gritty stuff for the users before they fully dive in. Thus, it is especially great for beginners who are scared they will have to handle too much stuff at the start. Click the first link below to get Perpetual Income for a discounted price now from the official website. The details of how it works are: making a landing page is one of the most important parts of an affiliate marketing campaign. Most beginners are unable to create one that is both effective and visually impeccable. However, through this program, users gain access to an abundance of landing page templates. Through these, users can choose to install any and have their website's landing page get developed within minutes. Users are then instructed to create a URL for their chosen website. Once this is done, they have their good-looking landing page ready. In addition to this, users receive a free email campaign that lasts for the first 31 days of their purchase of the program. Thus, as one starts to send leads, they will also receive emails as they have signed up to view free offers, videos or other things on one's page. Is Perpetual Income 365 legit? Read Perpetual Income 365 customer reviews and testimonials. Does it really work for everyone? Click the first link below to get Perpetual Income for a discounted price now from the official website. What can users learn through this program? Perpetual Income 365 course is divided into various videos that allow users to learn about affiliate marketing from the ground up. Sean delves into various topics throughout the videos and allows even the beginners to catch up easily. The first video shares with users the basics of affiliate marketing, and how it all works. Users will learn to calculate ROI and quickly figure out their break-even point through affiliate marketing. The next video allows users to learn in great detail how they can make their first $2,000 profit within just a month. This allows users to set their expectations that are both realistic and feasible. In addition to this, through this video, users will learn about the business model that goes into the affiliate marketing program. While it uses the basic business model people know about, Perpetual Income 365 has perfected it to a certain degree and added its own flair to it. The next video is about some of the main questions that people have, as well as sharing some of the main things to know about solo ad vendors. In addition to these videos, users receive quite a few benefits and features that make this program a good, well-rounded way of diving into affiliate marketing. Click the first link below to get Perpetual Income for a discounted price now from the official website. The developer seems to have taken the time out to ensure that everyone from the tech-savvy to those who may lack the basic understanding can keep up well and receive the advantages they need to excel. This is largely why this program is garnering quite a bit of attention lately and is becoming many people's go-to for affiliate marketing basics and intricacies. Pros and highlights of this software. One of the main advantages of this system is the fact that a lot of the chore-like stuff people would otherwise have to do is already done for them. Things like landing pages and a month of email marketing are available out of the box. The software is quite a lot cheaper than a market alternative. With just $47 a month, people are getting a cost-effective option here. Finally, even after the 31-day email campaign ends, users still get to keep their email list, allowing users to promote other products. Click the first link below to get Perpetual Income for a discounted price now from the official website. Perpetual Income 365 Reviews Verdict. Perpetual Income 365 is one of the few in the market that works well for both newbies and pros alike. It allows people to set foot in the affiliate marketing world and provides them with certain elements that can make their journey easy. Furthermore, it is available at a fairly low cost, making it one of the market's most effective and worthwhile programs. This is why it is garnering attention from various people lately. For more information on how it works, as well as other details and intricacies, my final recommendation is to pick Perpetual Income from its official website in the first link below, follow it up and then come back here again to let us know what you think about it. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more useful content.